Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, giveaways, spoilers, all sorts of beauty stuff related here on this channel. I take care of you. So, look what finally decided to show up today. It's April 6th. My April Plus bag. That said that I got a tracking on around the 15th that said that it was going to be shipped. And it sat there in their warehouse and didn't move until about the 1st of April. Not off to a great start for me redoing my Plus bag. And the reason I signed up for it is because there was a palette in there that I really wanted. So we'll have to find out if I got it or not. So we are going to be doing a giveaway in this video. One of these items we're giving away to one of you. My giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety and be subscribed. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. So I do want to welcome anybody who is new here, and for all my returnees, you know I love you, and I love spoiling you guys. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of April, it is the Juvia's Place, the Queen palette, Fumi and Juvia's. I'll put a link in the description box down below under current giveaways. There's a bunch of them under current giveaways, you guys. And make sure you check them out. Some of them are ending really soon. So just click on the video. It'll tell you what you need to do for that giveaway. As far as what I have on my eyes today, it is the Juvia's Place Walhalla 2 palette. And it's mainly these two kind of blue rows right here, along with the silver right here. So like I said, this is the March Plus bag. March. But we are giving away one of these items to one of you. So I haven't gotten the Plus in a long time, so I'm anxious to see what is inside. If you are interested in checking out iPsy, I have a code in the description box. It'll help you out. It'll save you a little bit of money, and it helps me out on any future purchases like add-ons or something like that that I want to do. If you do use it, I thank you, and obviously no obligation to do so. So let's find out what's in here. Just a reminder, here is the bag itself, drawstring. March 2021, Stronger Together. The future is female. You got this equality. Like Cher and Diane and red lipstick and a cat eye, some things are just better together. Celebrate the people and products that make you look and feel your best. So this is kind of cute down here. What is your power color? Discover the mood boosting effects of these hues and amp up your look. So red, energy, strength. I'm just reading this off this card here. Red, energy, strength, leadership, how to wear. Swipe it on a crimson lipstick to power through a presentation. Pink is sincerity, love, compassion. How to wear it. Bring on the self-love with an all-over monochromatic eye look. Orange, creativity, inspiration, confidence. How to wear it. Dust on a peachy orange blush to get your creative juices flowing. Yellow, optimistic, joy, cheerful. How to wear. A sunshine-hued mani will definitely spark joy and perfect for the spring. Green, gentle, healing, strength. How to wear. A wash of mint green eyeshadow will help you rise above any bad vibes. Blue, Sensitive, calm, peaceful. How to wear it. Need some zen in your day? Try a navy blue liner to soothe an active mind. Violet. Magical, open-minded, imaginative. How to wear it. Sweep an icy lavender highlighter over the cheekbone for an otherworldly effect. I do wish, and there's kind of some good things on here, but I do wish they would list the products like they do on their glam bag. And I haven't gotten the X yet. Next month is my first X bag, so I'm really hoping that has a card as well, because otherwise I'm just going to have to look down at the iPad and look up all the information and prices and all the good stuff for you. So let's get into the products, one of which we're giving away to one of you. So Korres is a Greek yogurt foaming cleanser. It does retail for $26. The Korres best-selling Greek yogurt foaming cream cleanser is a nourishing cream to foam soap-free cleanser. It is formulated with real Greek yogurt, leaving even the most sensitive skin comforted and supple. For those of you that have drier skins like I do, foaming cleansers will dry you out. So this one's going to be a pass for me. For oily skin people, it's great, but for the dry skin ones, not so much. House Laboratories is the Risque Brow and Lash Sparkle Topper in Drama. It does retail for $18, so all the products in the Plus bag are full size. Love a full brow and fluffy lashes? Now it's time to kick it up a notch. This lightweight tinted topper has a hint of multicolor sparkle in true Gaga fashion that will take your brow gel or mascara to the next level. And here's what the inner packaging looks like. I'm not quite sure what to do with this one yet, so I don't want to open it up. This one I'm really kind of intrigued about. So this is from Florence. It is the Glow Yeah Lip Oil. Retails for $14. This Florence by Mills lip oil adjusts to your mood while adding a pop of shine and tint to your color for that glow yeah feeling all day long. No more dry lips. African mango butter and Perkisi's flour keep it looking fresh and cute. Key ingredients are the African mango butter, which is a nutrient-dense hydrator that adds serious moisture and shine to the lip gloss. Perkisi's flour, a floral extract that smooths and softens dry lips. Keep it clean, vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, synthetic, fragrance-free, and sulfate-free. Kind of looks like this. It's like that on the hand. I love wearing lip oils just by themselves in the summer. Let's see if we can put a little bit of a topper on this. It's not sticky or anything. No scent to it. I really, really love lip oil, so I think I'm gonna like this. From Air Repair is the Complexion Boosting Moisturizer. It does retail for $23. So Air Repair Skincare Complexion Boosting Moisturizer is a one-stop shop to help repair dull, tired, and dehydrated skin. I have dehydrated skin. This regenerating treatment cream is instantly absorbed, leaving a hydration and radiant complexion while helping to diminish the appearance of fine lines. It does kind of instantly go into the skin. So I don't know if you can tell, here's the one with the cream on it, and this one doesn't. So I mean, I think you can tell a little bit of a difference. From MOTD, in a blush blending eye brush set. This, I don't know why the MOTD brushes are so expensive. This set retails for $58. Whether you want to create a dramatic eye look or something softer, this pro quality brush set has got you covered. Not only are their pearly pink brushes gorgeous, they're practical. Each handle is clearly labeled so you know exactly what it does and how to use it. So you got some brushes. Honestly, for my first box back, I wasn't too impressed. I think a part of it is because I had my heart set on this palette that I didn't get. I'm sure that has a lot to do with it. Give it another month, see how it goes. Hopefully it gets here. My April bag will get here in the month of April. Too much to ask for? Secret word, late. So let's do the House Laboratories brow and mascara topper. I just don't think I'd really use it, so I'm happy to give it away to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to only fill it out once and put on it your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed, and then put also on it that secret word. Do not put that secret word in the comments down below, and do not fill that form out more than once or your entry will be deleted. So I will go ahead and put in bonus entries for you when we do our little spin the wheel that we normally do around, it'll be sometime around the 11th of May, somewhere in there. The giveaway will end May 7th, and then somewhere the week of the 11th, I'll do the spin the wheel video where you see all the names go around. Like I said, I do put bonus entries in there, and how you get bonus entries is if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share the video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your help. Speaking of which, if you can do me a favor, click on that bell and mark it to all. And if you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those so that way you can receive notifications from YouTube. I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways because I love spoiling my subscribers here. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, custom, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. Make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you because I love brightening somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older in order to enter or have your parents' permission. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. I gotta get my watch time minutes up. They're going up. So they were going up pretty good, and then for like the past week, they kind of stalled out. So I'm hoping that we can take it off again because I want to get this monetized so I can do more fun giveaways for you guys. And it's the watch time hours that I'm lagging behind on. So if you could help me out, that would be great. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye.